everyone, how's it going? Out here at the Raphine, Virginia Petro, where in my honest and humble opinion, other than the biggest truck stop in Iowa, this is probably the biggest truck stop I've ever been to out here on the road. This truck stop alone has about, I'd say almost 900 truck parking spots. I'm standing all the way at the farthest back point of the back parking lot. The parking lot, it's a little windy, sorry, but it goes all the way from the back part where I'm at all the way to the front way over there where you see that BP sign up there way in the distance. You see that little BP sign there? That's about right there where that sign is right there. That's about where the beginning of the truck stop is. And this is just the back lot. There's a front lot that has about 50 parking spots up in the front, and then it just stretches all the way back here. And there's so many parking spots. There's probably about close to 1,000. And then in the inside of the truck stop, it has a food court, a shopping center, a convenience store, another deli, a barber shop, which I got my hair cut at for $15 a cut. Can't beat that. And then of course, bathroom, showers, fitness room, theater room. And in the inside of the Petro is probably one of the most immaculate looking Petros that I've been to. And I've been to some pretty dingy looking ones. Pretty like, you know, you just want to get in and get out kind of thing. But in this place, like if you had to take a 34 here in Raphine, Virginia, I would take a 34 here, and you wouldn't even have to leave this block here. You got plenty of parking spaces here. A lot of them are pulled through parking spots, so you shouldn't ever have a problem finding parking here. Reserved parking spots are all in the front. There's probably about maybe 30 to 35 reserved parking spots, but really with 1,000 parking spots, I wouldn't see why you'd need to reserve any spots. But it's a pretty nice lot, pretty nice on the inside. It also has a chiropractor that you can visit for, and you can get an adjustment for $30. It's walk-in. You don't have to have an appointment there. There's a medical facility right outside, right outside the Petro, just a little bit walk down the hill. And there's a medical center too, so that if you need to get your DOT physicals updated, or you need any kind of healthcare, any kind of quick healthcare done, you can go to the medical center that's literally just right down the hill. And then across from that, there's another little rest area for cars, for four-wheelers. That's a parking area for four-wheelers that has a restaurant called Quaker Steak. Quaker Steak, not to be confused with Quaker State. It's a play on words. Quaker Steak and Lube. Down there, it's a little restaurant there. But there's plenty to do around here. There's also a Blue Beacon right over there that you can go and get your truck washed. So, and of course, you know, this Petro has a TA truck service there, here. So it has everything you need. If you ever need to take a 34 and you happen to be in the Virginia area, I would come over here off of I-81 and come and take your break here. Pretty peaceful, not too bad. Lots of parking. That's the big thing, right? Lots and lots of parking. But on the inside, that's where it's at. So let's go. I'm gonna take you for a quick little tour just on the inside so you can see what it looks like.